What is being filtered in the video is palm oil after frying food. Activated clay is added for adsorption. This testing machine works on the principle of negative pressure, and the surface has begun to dry. This is the effect after filtering. It is very clear, and the color has become lighter to a certain extent. Food-grade activated clay is widely used in the food industry. Does not affect subsequent use. This is the filtered activated clay, and the carbonized material after frying adsorbed by the clay. Comparison after filtering and before filtering. Comparison of effects after secondary filtering. After secondary filtration, the color of palm oil becomes lighter.